Python list slicing trick they love in interviews. Okay, real quick. You're given a list. The interviewer asks, "Can you reverse this in Python?" Your brain says, for loop, temp list, maybe reverse. Sure, that works, but it doesn't stand out. Now, imagine instead. You'll write just this. My list, square bracket, slice operator -1, square bracket, close. You just reverse the list in one line. And the interviewer? They're impressed. So what's going on here? This is Python slicing, and this one trick, square bracket slice operator -1 square bracket close, is a shortcut to reverse a list. Let's break it down. The first colon means take everything. The second colon means keep the default step. The -1, that's your hero. It tells Python, step backward. My list equals square bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, square bracket close. Print my list, square bracket -1. Output, square bracket 4, 3, 2, 1, square bracket close. That's it. Now here's the kicker. This tiny trick shows up in a lot of questions. Think. Check for palindrome. Use slicing. Reverse subarray. Use slicing. Create mirror data. Yep, slicing. No loops. No reversed funkiness. Just clean Pythonic code. This kind of thing, it's how you speak Python fluently, not just code in it. So if you want to build that fluency, hit subscribe right now to CCI Q&A, because these are the tricks that help you get hired faster. And hey, drop a comment. What's the coolest one-liner you've ever written in Python? I'll feature the best ones in the next video. Until then, happy coding, my friend.